With over 30,000 Fortune 500 customer installations worldwide, Griffin Filters provides the experience and dependability your operation needs. Griffin's engineering special capabilities include corrosive and toxic environments, high temperatures to 1650 degrees, flammable materials, food-grade finishes, ultrafine dusts, explosion potential, ASME certified vessels, and large multi-module pulse jet baghouses. Customers count on Griffin quality. It's the result of painstaking design and consistent, carefully maintained quality control standards for seamless integration with your system. Let's discuss your dust collection requirements and solutions. Contact 315-451-5300, griffinfilters.com.